Winter storm safety tips. With the winter storm approaching, we want to ensure your safety and help prevent any damage to your home. Open cabinet doors under sinks to allow warm air to circulate around pipes. Next, let your faucets drip slightly, especially those on exterior walls. Moving water helps prevent pipes from freezing. If you have exposed pipes in your basement or garage, wrap them with foam insulation. This provides an extra layer of protection from the cold. Seal any gaps or cracks around windows, doors, and pipe openings. This keeps cold air outside and warm air inside. Keep your garage doors closed to help protect water lines that may run through your garage. Make sure your thermostat stays above 55 degrees, even when you're not home. If certain areas feel extra cold, you can use a space heater, but always safely and never unattended. Disconnect outdoor hoses and drain sprinkler systems. If you have a smart thermostat, check the batteries to make sure it keeps working during the storm. Use door sweeps and weather stripping to stop cold drafts from coming in. Save you from costly repairs and water damage. If you notice any leaks, frozen pipes, or concern, just contact right away.